Hey everyone, welcome back to Busy Tutorial. I am Biru and today we are going to discuss about product release that has been recently released by Busy Infotech Private Limited about their Busy application. So in this release, there are so many optimization work has been done by the research and development team, and some efficiency work has been implemented, so that the you can see some improvement in the speed level regarding any reports, and there are some new features has been implemented on your feedbacks basis. So there are three things which has been included in the major changes, and fourth, which is about busy mobile app, that I will not discuss in this video because there are so many changes which can take so much time. So that is why I'm not including that part in this video. So we will just cover three parts, which is related to batch feature, and second is import excel from google using google sheets, and third, which is most important, as after the mca guidelines, like in mandate audit trails. So detailed information was not there, so it has been implemented in this release. So, okay, so let's start and see these all things practically, how what changes has been made and how it is going to affect the working process. Okay, so before dive into main content, if you are new here, so I will request you to please hit that subscriber button and ring the bell icon so that you will never miss out our upcoming video. Okay, let's have a practical of those things which has been released, and we will learn it very well. I hope you will find this video very well. We will discuss about audit trail changes that has been introduced in this release 10.0. So the changes is the feature of a detailed audit trail has been provided. So detailed report was not available earlier, so it has been introduced and I will made it available for you in this release. It will help to track each and every event, add, modify, delete. Whether you do any of the event, add, modify, delete of the voucher and master, it will be visible to you in detailed way. Right? Let's see how it has been changed and how it is looking now. So first of all, you have to enable this feature of maintain audit trail. So you will go to administration menu, then configuration, and after that feature options, and you will go to general option, and here you can see maintain audit trail. You will just enable it, and there is an option which has been given you. Okay, so we are enabling maintain audit trail from administration menu, configuration, then feature option, then general option. Okay, so I am highlighting that feature for you, audit trail, right, and enter. So this is that option, maintain detailed audit trail and audit trail. So we are talking about this one, maintain detail audit trails and maintain audit trails. So this is a new option which has introduced in this release. Okay, now we will save this, and after doing save, we will come back. Now let's create a add a master, item master add. Here we will enter the name, test, group and pieces. We are just doing this thing for testing of the changes that has been made. Save this master. Okay, we have just added one master, and let's go to enter transaction sales, add, and we can take anything. I'm just entering a random voucher to test up, and we will just save this. So we have created a master and we have added a voucher. Now let's see. Do you want to question? Okay, we again modify this voucher mail and this. I'm just doing modification. Okay, I'm changing it to 150 from 100, and again this. this second modification. First time I have added, second time I have modified. So now it will ask modification narration detail. You can give wanted to change the price. Okay, we will save it. Now let's go to display, and in checklist option you can see audit trail. So earlier we just have only option that was summary. Detailed option was not there. So this is that new option that has been provided us. So we will enter and voucher sales main and enter the voucher number. We have to enter, we can not coming, so we have to copy the voucher number from here. Oh shit, I know. Okay, wait, sorry, I was pressing home instead of and. Okay, no issue. So I have just copied this, and remember the date of voucher date. Okay, so that is 1 April 24. Let's go back, display, details, voucher, sales, main, and enter this. Yeah, okay. So here you can see two voucher has is two times. First is add and second is modify. So in add you can see we have added version 1. So version 1 means firstly you have added, and what you have added when you have created voucher. So this is 100 primary voucher, and what changes you have made in second time. So this is this changes. So it, so how many times you will do change and modification. In the same way it will show you here in the form of version 1 when you have added, in second when you have modified, and you will again modify, then it will show in version 3, and so on. It will continue to, it will keep showing you all the modification details related to this particular voucher number which is being shown here. Okay, so this is all about audit trail that has been provided in this result, because it was the feedback from many of the customers to show the detailed report related to particular voucher or particular master. We have seen in the voucher, and now we will see in master, item master. So I have to enter the name test. So this is, so there is only one version is showing because we have not done any modification and any changes yet. So okay, so this was all about audit trail. Now let's move to other major changes. Okay, so we have seen that what changes has been made in audit trail and how it is beneficial for you to see the detailed information about the changes that has been done by any user or by us, by self. Okay, so now let's move to the second change that is related to batch feature. Earlier there is no option for auto numbering in batch feature, like as it was available in serial, right? So that has been introduced in this particular release. So let's discuss about in detail. Let's go to the busy. So first of all we will enable the feature. So we will go to administration for enable it, configuration, then feature option, then inventory. Here is the option of batch wise detail. We will just tick it, and we will not do any changes inside the batch wise detail option. We will just okay and then save. Now it will take out from that window. So now let's go configuration. So we have enabled in the feature. Now second thing is master and then item. So we will modify that item which we have already created. So I will enable this feature batch by detail. So while saving, it will show an option item batch number type details. So this is the changes that has been made. This was not available earlier, which is right now. We will select auto numbering, and numbering frequency we will select renumbering frequency, like how many time it will frequent, daily, monthly, yearly. So how from which day it should, it will be restart. you can say. Like you have a say 1 2 10 12 13 14 15, right? And after coming to 15, it will again restart from 1, right? So you can understand in this way. So let's start this in daily basis. And structure name we have to say, configure it first of all, then it will use a. I have to add, so I am using a structure name. Okay, and okay. So day, night, month, and year. So this is the structure name that I have defined. You can configure it according to you. So there are various fields which is available. Okay, so we will just save this, and structure name has been defined. So we will say okay and save. So we have saved changes. Enable, we can write enable changes of batch feature. Okay, so we have modified voucher and enable batch related batch feature, and we have enabled batch feature in item master and from configuration option. Now let's see, we will enter a transaction purchase central bc info tag, this test, I say 10 quantity. You can see day, month, year. So as we have specified in the item master related to in respective item master, we can say, so test we have defined day first and second, month, and we have specified year at the end. So we have specified the character, right? So two character we have specified, so it is embedding two characters here. So we will say, so this is the only changes which has been introduced in this particular release. So I hope this will very helpful. It will help you to speed up your purchase entry and sale related entries. You can give more time to another activity which is very important for your business growth. Okay, so this was all about changes which is related to batch feature. Okay, now let's move to the last feature that is very helpful for you. So third major change is related to import from Google Sheet, which was not available till now, but in release 10.0 it is provided us, so that now after in that release we can import using Google Sheet. So here just a step we need to do, we need to authenticate our Gmail ID with the busy application, and then after that we will use a Google Sheet which will automatically created by the busy in our Google Drive. So we have to enter the data in that particular sheet which is created by busy automatically. So a separate Google Sheet will be automatically created by busy application for separate companies. So we using that Google Sheet, using those Google Sheet, we will import data from Google Sheet to busy application. Right now I'm not going to show you practical about it, but I can show you what kind of changes has provided. So provision has been made to import master and voucher from Google Sheets. So only this information has been given in PR. So practical, if you need any practical over this topic, so just comment below. If your comment will come across to me, I will definitely going to create a video over it, and I am deciding to create it, but not including in this video. A separate video will be created and it will be presented for you. Okay, so till now we have discussed about two changes that is related to batch wise, and second is audit trail, right? So I hope you find this video very well. Thank you. If you are new for busy tutorial, please hit the subscribe button. I'm again requesting you because it helps to motivate to put up such kind of content for you. Thank you. Have a great day. Thank you for, okay, thank you. Enjoy your day.